All right, guys, we're going to be talking about the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, um, same thing, guys. Nothing really shared on this on the monthly levels. Yeah, actually, yes. I'm sorry. We were expecting the 6250. We've been waiting for that 6250 to come back up. So we actually ripped out the 6250, but we're still, nevertheless, in supply. You might not really see it here. I mean, you might want to. I mean, you can, but you'll be able to see it further down. So let's go ahead and bring it down. Weekly, we're approaching somewhat of a weekly resistance area. Um, it's the only thing I can tell you from the weekly, but let's go ahead and bring it down to the daily. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. We've been coming into, for me, really, I was watching the 6250, but the strength of the New Zealand this last, maybe the last 2 weeks, I mean, it's been pushing up. But it's really in a prime area right now. So that supply right there, and not only these are the ones that I really pay attention to. Not only is this supply, but there's a lot of resistance in that area. So, and we were roaming around the 65 area, 65.25, 65.30 area level. So let's see how high this thing went up. And let's go ahead and click here. High is 65, yeah, 65.25, 65.30 area. Um, I'm not. Yes, the overall trend is towards the upside, but I am expecting somewhat of a pullback, and for that reason, sorry, and I am expecting somewhat of a pullback. Daily supply resistance, 4-hour supply right there. I am definitely expecting somewhat of a pullback. Where the Another thing that, sorry, I don't really have a trade on this one, but it's one of those where I kind of want to have my eyes on this. And the reason why is because, for you guys don't know, but I tend to be a contrary trader. Right now, currently, 86% of the traders are currently short. And sometimes these institutional banks, that's the easy way how to wipe on people's stop losses. Um, so the fact that right now 86% of the traders are currently short, most of the time they'll tend to keep on pushing it up. And where is it that they're maybe may want to push it up? It's towards the 66 level area. So that's the reason why I don't have an entry on this one, but I'll be looking at this because if we break around, if we break the 65.50 area, then I'll be shooting for the 66 level, or unless um, the sentiment for this pair right now, where the 86% of the traders they start depleting, and maybe they start wanting to go. Maybe it switches towards the long side, then yes, I'll definitely consider this short at that point. Um, Other than that, here for me, guys, the play for me is that, hey, you know what? Just wait for day trades. If the New Zealand is showing weak sentiment or a strong weak, I'm talking about the strong weak analysis. But if the New Zealand starts going towards the weak side, dollar towards the strong side, or not even the dollar necessarily towards the strong side, but just the New Zealand just hanging around the weak side throughout the day, then I'll be looking for shorts, day trades as pretty much that's all I'll be looking at. I'll be looking at for this pair. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.